notice that in Israel, it's common to see people in civilian clothes carrying large firearms like assault rifles on the streets? For those unfamiliar, it might seem surprising, but there's a reason behind it. Many of the young people you see carrying weapons are off-duty soldiers. In Israel, military service is mandatory, and soldiers are encouraged to take their weapons home even when off-duty. This helps them stay prepared for emergencies and adds a layer of security to the public. Despite the visible presence of firearms, the rate of accidents is extremely low. So, when you see people carrying firearms on the street, there's no need to worry. Israel's population is well-trained, respectful, and highly educated, and, by far, one of the safest countries in the world.